We're working on a LG 42 PG60 plasma television, and it just takes forever to turn on. Once you take the back panel off, you'll see this power supply here. What you're going to be looking for is these capacitors like this. They're peaked. Okay, these four here are 3300 microfarad, 10 volt. And this is 1000 microfarad, 10 volt. I'm going to replace them with 25 volts. And I'm going to replace that with a 25 volt. And after it gets changed, TV will be working again. That's a pretty quick video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.